The 1963 Volkswagen Beetle. One of the most iconic cars of all time is the 1963 Volkswagen Beetle. Whether you're looking for a vintage vehicle to restore or are an avid collector, this classic car deserves your attention. From its air-cooled engine and old-fashioned design to its historical significance, there's no denying that the 63 VW Bug has something special about it that sets it apart from other vehicles. Not only does it have major cultural relevance, its timeless silhouette and storied past still turn heads on any street today. Stay on to learn more about why so many people love this beloved classic car. A brief history of the Volkswagen Beetle. The beloved Volkswagen Beetle has come a long way since its inception in the 1930s. Originally created in response to Adolf Hitler's call for a people's car, the Beetle quickly became a cultural icon around the world. Its signature bug-like shape and reliable, economical design made it a hit with drivers looking for a quality vehicle at an affordable price. Despite some setbacks over the years, including a dip in popularity during the 1970s, the Beetle has persevered and remains a beloved automobile for many car enthusiasts today. Its storied history is rich with innovation, challenge, and triumph, a true testament to the enduring legacy of the people's car. Features that make the Beetle unique and why it became so popular. The Volkswagen Beetle, or Bug, is a classic car that has been around for more than 80 years. What sets the Beetle apart from other cars is its unique design, with its rounded body and bulbous shape. This distinctive design made it stand out on the road and quickly caught people's attention. However, it wasn't just the Beetle's appearance that made it so popular. It was also simple and affordable, making it accessible to a wide range of people. Its compact size also made it an ideal car for navigating through busy city streets. When it first hit the market during the post-World War II era, it quickly became a symbol of resilience and optimism. Today, the Beetle remains an iconic car that is loved by many, for both its unique design and its historical significance. How to purchase a vintage model and restoration tips. Are you on the hunt for a unique car that will turn heads? Purchasing a vintage model can be a thrilling experience, but it's important to know what to look for before making a purchase. It's essential to inspect the car thoroughly to ensure it's in good condition and worth the investment. Once you've found the perfect vintage car, it's time to focus on restoration. There are a few tips to keep in mind during the restoration process, such as creating a detailed plan, sourcing quality parts, and seeking the help of professionals when needed. Taking the time to restore a vintage car will result in a one-of-a-kind masterpiece that's sure to make a statement on the road. Fun facts about the Beetle that you may not know. The Beetle has been a beloved car for decades, and while many people know a lot about it, there are some fun facts that might surprise you. Did you know that the very first Volkswagen was actually a Beetle? It was designed by Ferdinand Porsche in the 1930s, but it wasn't until after World War II that it became a popular car. The Beetle was also one of the first cars to have seatbelts as standard equipment. And did you know that the Beetle was one of the longest-running cars in history, with production lasting over 50 years? That's a testament to its popularity and durability. Overall, the Beetle has had a fascinating history and has left a lasting impact on the automotive industry. Popular modifications to improve performance and looks. Car enthusiasts are always looking for ways to make their cars stand out and perform better. Some popular modifications that are commonly used to achieve this goal include upgrading the suspension system, installing performance tires, and adding fender flares. Upgraded suspension systems provide better handling while performance tires offer improved grip, and fender flares can help fit wider tires. In addition to these functional modifications, many car enthusiasts also focus on improving the appearance of their cars. Popular modifications for appearance include custom paint jobs, vinyl wraps, and body kits. Custom paint jobs and vinyl wraps can give cars a unique look, while body kits can change the overall aesthetic of the vehicle. With so many options available, it's no wonder that car modification is such a popular hobby. The Volkswagen Beetle's place in pop culture and its lasting impact. The Volkswagen Beetle has been an iconic car since its inception in the 1930s, but it was in the 1960s when it became a symbol of counterculture and a staple in pop culture. From the famous Herbie movies to the Beatles album covers, the Beetle was ubiquitous in mainstream media. Its unique design and affordable price made it accessible to the masses, becoming a symbol of rebelliousness and individuality. Even today, the Beetle holds a special place in our hearts, and its impact still resonates in the automotive industry and pop culture. Its legacy will continue to inspire generations to come. The Volkswagen Beetle is an iconic car that has been part of the automotive world for over 80 years. It's a symbol of freedom, rebellion, and redefined what a car could be. Over the years, people have modified Beetles, with some cars receiving modifications that improve the performance or add unique features to make it their own. Whether you decide to purchase one in its original condition or restore it, VW Beetles will forever be timeless classics that many can appreciate. There's no doubt this iconic car will stay in pop culture for decades to come and still has potential to amaze us with whatever we decide to turn them into one day. Ultimately, the Volkswagen Beetle will forever remain as a part of automotive history and play an important role in our culture today.